Welcome to Quiz Fun Fest. This is an image challenge. Can you guess the object in the image? First up is zodiac signs. Is this zodiac sign Cancer or Scorpio? It's Cancer. How about this zodiac sign? Is it Sagittarius or Gemini? Gemini. Is this zodiac sign Pisces or Aquarius? Aquarius. Enjoying the quiz? Share with friends and smash that subscribe button. Is this zodiac sign Capricorn or Pisces? Pisces. Is this zodiac sign Leo or Taurus? Taurus. Next up, guess the profession. Is this a forest officer or a park ranger? Park ranger. Is this person a museum curator or tourist guide? Museum curator. Is this an event manager or a wedding planner? Wedding planner. Is this a horticulturist or a florist? Horticulturist. Last one of the section. Is this a fashion designer or a painter? Share your answer in the comments. Now let's guess the country by its flag. Is this a flag of Luxembourg or the Netherlands? The Netherlands. Is this a flag of Poland or Indonesia? Poland. Is this a flag of Venezuela or Colombia? Venezuela. Is this a flag of Australia or New Zealand? Australia. Is this a flag of Mexico or Italy? Italy. It's time for Guess the Food. Is this couscous or quinoa? Quinoa. Is this sweet potato or yam? Yam. Is this tomato or persimmon? It's persimmon. Is this Greek yogurt or sour cream? Greek yogurt. Is this cauliflower or Romanesco? It's Romanesco. Next up, guess the event. Is this kite flying or graduation? Graduation. Is this a carnival or a fashion show? Carnival. Is this event a birthday or a wedding? Is this event the Grand Prix or go-karting? It's Grand Prix. Is this the opera or Broadway? It's opera. It's time for Guess the Festival. Is this Christmas or Thanksgiving? That's right, it's Christmas. How about this one? Is this the parade or Mardi Gras? It's Mardi Gras. Is this festival Holi or Diwali? Diwali. Is this festival Easter or Oktoberfest? Oktoberfest. Is this festival New Year or Eid al-Fitr? It's Eid al-Fitr. Next, it's Guess the symbol or logo. Is this symbol peace or yin-yang? It's yin-yang. Is this logo for the Schengen or European Union? European Union. Is this logo for UNICEF or WHO? It's WHO. Is this logo for WWF or Panda Rescue? It's WWF. Is this a symbol for Om or Omega? It's Omega. Does this show an Academy Award or an Emmy Award? Academy Award. Does this symbol represent Wi-Fi or volume control? That's right, it's Wi-Fi. Is this a symbol of lambda or eta? It's lambda. Is this a UNICEF emblem or UN emblem? It's UN emblem. Is this yoga symbol Hamsa or Om? Hamsa. Choose your next challenge from the options shown and keep quizzing.